Hey, let me show you all health features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. And we got actually two parts when we can actually check this. So first of all, you can just simply go into the settings. And when you go for the health, we got actually first things. Right here we can find the heart rate, and we can actually measure the heart rate continuously every 10 minutes or manually. But also we can set the heart rate alerts for the low and the high heart rate. So this is the first one, all about the heart rate. Below we can find the stress. So yes, you can measure the stress. Also, you can measure it continuously for all day, and that's all about the stress. Right here you can also find the sleep tracker, but what is really useful, can also measure your blood oxygen level during the sleep. And now we are going into the main watch faces, because right here when you just start scrolling, we'll be able to find other things. Like for example, we can check our body composition. When you go right here, we can also measure the blood pressure. We can also record our ECG. There's also option to measure the blood oxygen. So previously we actually can do this during the sleep, but you can actually also do this anytime that you want. And now that's actually for the woman, cycle tracking. And right here you can actually add the food. You can actually input all of the calories that you are actually eating for a whole day. And of course we can check our heart rate. And when you click on this heart rate, you can also scroll down, so you can check your heart rate per hour. And right here you can also check your resting range. And this is it. This is like all health features on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.